everyone. Today I'm going to talk about dopamine. I think you may have heard about dopamine. Dopamine is well known for neurotransmitter, which is related to pleasure. But actually, dopamine can control other things too. Dopamine is one of the neurotransmitters that carries signal between neurons. It goes from an amino acid called tyrosine to dopamine through a precursor called L-DOPA. When nerve cells are stimulated, they are released from the synaptic ends and bind to receptors. Dopamine functions in various ways, such as compensation, emotion, cognition, and motor control, depending on the path like mesolimbic, mesocortical, nigrostriatal, and so on. Due to its various functions, dopamine is related to several diseases. One of them is schizophrenia, in Korean, 조현병. Schizophrenia is a chronic and severe neuropsychiatric disorder characterized by disturbance in thought, perception, emotion, and behavior. The symptoms of schizophrenia can be divided into two types. One of them is positive symptoms, and other one is negative symptoms. Positive symptoms is abnormal behavior that do not occur in healthy people, like delusions, hallucination. Negative symptoms is reduction or absence of normal functions. Affective flattening and alogia can be the example of negative symptoms. Let's look at the pathogenesis of schizophrenia from the pharmacologic perspective. Dopamine hyperinnervation in striatum can cause excess dopamine release. It leads to D2 receptor hyperactivating and positive symptoms occur. But in frontal cortex, lack of dopamine lowers the activity of D1 receptor and causes negative symptoms. So currently, dopamine receptor antagonists and protein agonists are used to treat schizophrenia. One of the treatments is aripiprazole. It's protein agonist of D2 receptor, so it maintains balancing of the dopaminergic system and can relieve both positive and negative symptoms. However, since schizophrenia affected not only by dopamine, but also several risk factors and neurotransmitters like GABA and serotonin. So, we need to study more. So far, this has been a presentation on dopamine and schizophrenia. Thank you for listening.